part of the wall is hollow! Reiner! Shit! Captain? What are these guys made of? A blade through the neck and the bastard still won't die! Keep your eyes open! We still need to find his allies! Incoming boulder! Get down! What the? Looks like he missed.
Not so. That was a well-placed shot. He blocked off the entrance. There's no riding through it now. They have us all but surrounded. They plan to target our horses, block our escape routes, and slaughter us. The enemy hopes for the same thing we do. To win this conflict once and for all. It's our side or theirs now! We can let the Titans crush us, or bring them crashing down!